Jolly Planet. Learn with fun. Hello kids. In this video, we will see homes of animals. Lion lives in den. Parrot lives in cage. Pig lives in pen. Rat lives in holes. Tiger lives in den. Rhinoceros lives in savannas. Shark lives in sea. Sheep lives in pen. Spider lives in web. Squirrel lives in burrows. Turtle lives in sea. Yak lives in hills. Zebra lives in safari. Fox lives in burrows. Hippopotamus lives near river banks. Panda lives near bamboo trees. Owl lives in owlry. Rabbit lives in burrows. Penguin lives in penguinery. Monkey lives on trees. Ant lives in hives. Bat lives in caves. Buffalo lives in shed. Bear lives in caves. Cat lives in cattery. Camel lives in desert. Cow lives in shed. Cheetah lives in savannas. Hen lives in coop. Chimpanzee lives on trees. Porcupine lives in burrows. Cockroach lives in homes. Bird lives in nest. Deer lives in bushes. Dog lives in kennel. Donkey lives in barn. Eagle lives in eyrie. Elephant lives in forest areas. Fish lives in aquarium. Giraffe lives in savannas. Goat lives in pen. Horse lives in stable. Kangaroo lives in hollow trees.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like, share and leave a comment. Please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.